How to rebuild icon cache in Windows. I will show you how to fix your broken icon by deleting and rebuilding the icon cache in Windows. आइकन कैशे फाइल को फाइंड एंड डिलीट करने के लिए क्लिक ऑन विंडो सर्च बार एंड टाइप फोल्डर ऑप्शन. Click File Explorer option. Click View tab. Under Hidden File and Folder option, click Show Hidden File Folder and Drives. Click OK. Click the File Explorer. Click the File Explorer address bar. Type the following command. You can copy this command in video description. Press Enter key on your keyboard. Right click icon cache file and click delete. Right click recycle bin. Click empty recycle bin. Click yes. Click Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. Double click disk cleanup. Scroll down file and check thumbnail. Click OK. Click delete files. Restart your PC to complete the restoration of icon. Click start button. Click power icon and then click restart.